In this video, I will show you how to change and set up currency type in PayPal. So let's start the video. First, log into your PayPal account. And in this PayPal dashboard, in top menu bar, click the link Pay and Get Paid. And again, click Money tab in the drop-down menu. And you can see by default, the US dollar is the default currency type. You can add more than one currency type, as well set the currency you want as the primary currency. So to add new currency, click More Actions here. And next, click Add a Currency. From the list of currency type, select the currency you want to add. Let's add Australian dollar and continue. And done! You can see the Australian currency added is visible here. Similarly, you can add more than one currency type. Let's try Canadian dollar. You can see the Canadian dollar currency added is visible here. To make any one of these two currencies as the primary currency, you need to click the vertical, three-dotted More option. And again select Make Primary tab. And done! You can see the Australian dollar is the primary currency now. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please like, comment, and share my video if it was helpful, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get updates.